Well, hey everybody, this is Buddy. Today is January the 2nd. The year is 2024. Wow, we made another trip around the sun. At least I did. I don't know about you, but my trip went kind of fast. It was a good year though. Let's see what this year turned out to be. Who knows? You never know. That's why you always started off right by eating black-eyed peas. That was a tradition that my mama told me. And I've been doing it ever since. Yeah. Black-eyed peas a couple of days before and then a couple of days afterwards. It'll give you all the luck for the year. You know, it's one of them wise sayings from years and years ago. Her mama did it, and I imagine her mama's mama did it. But I'm making a video about black-eyed peas, of all things, right at New Year's and New Year's Eve and the day after New Year's Eve day. Yeah, boy, the wind is swirling right now. It is blowing right in my face. Ah, dang, it's cold. Let me show you what I'm looking at. Ah. I don't know if you could hear that wind blowing, but God, dog, it's blowing. It had stopped for a little bit, started back, and then stopped again. But as long as it ain't blowing, it ain't bad out here. But it's done got cold. I've been out here 20 minutes. Shoot, I don't know how much more of this I'm gonna be able to take. It's shifted. The wind is blowing right down this back deck from the northeast. Northwest. It was blowing out of the south, so something's changed since I've been here. But the wind that was blowing out of the south wasn't cold, and it wasn't blowing hard. Now it's blowing hard. Oh, if it just stopped, I could tell you something. It's so cold I can't tell you nothing. Oh, let me tell you this. The swimming pool over the holiday, they must have had to refill it because it is so cold, it's like ice water. It was all I could do a mile. I did it in 28 minutes and 43 seconds. But, I hope it warms up by tomorrow. It ain't temperature outside ain't gonna warm up, it's gonna get colder. Month of January here in Missouri is always cold. It was cold in Mississippi. January is about the coldest month of the year in Mississippi. But in Houston, Texas, they still cutting their grass. Their grass is still green. Very seldom does it get down to freezing in Houston. But I don't have anything much to say except to tell you a Happy New Year and set our sights for creating a wonderful year for ourselves this next year. You want some advice? I'll give you some advice. Cut your damn cell phones off. Don't cut them on until you make a call. Cut your TVs off. Give up on watching any kind of program that you think is important. And you'll see after 30 days you could do without your cell phone. You could do without your... Ooh, that wind's cold. You could do without your TV. If you're smoking, stop smoking. Stop smoking for 30 days. After 30 days, you'll realize why in the hell was I buying them stinking nasty things. I've been quit smoking, drinking, doping since I was 28. I guess that's getting close to 34 years. I think it is. This April will be 34 years. Yep. I quit all of it. It was a divine deal when I did do it, I'll tell you that. I ain't gonna go off into the story right now, but one day I may even write the story down and make a video about it, how I was, in one instance, looking at myself in the mirror, I was given a divine knowing that I'd never drink again, never smoke again. Of course, I had to do my part. I had to do it. I had to quit it. And I did. I quit. I quit it for 30 days and 60 days and 90 days, and I haven't smoked and drank since. But I tell you, the hardest thing was the smoking. For years, I don't know, probably up until about 10 years ago, I was dreaming I was smoking, and out-of-body experiences sometimes, being lucid. And I'd realize, wait a minute, I ain't supposed to be smoking. That'd make me go into a lucid state right there with that. Well, sometimes it would just wake me up, but most of the time, if I could control it just right, I could be lucid for a pretty good bit in the dream. I've been practicing lucid dreaming for, I know, 15, damn near 20 years. I know 15, but I gotta go, people. It's cold out here. I'm freezing. Y'all have a good day. I love all of y'all, even the ones that I can't tell who they are. I love everybody. Love is way better than having regret and hate and hardness in your heart. If you do anything, start loving yourself. It works. Y'all have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.